Continental are very happy to be associated with Rashi. And our relationship is just 6 months old, okay, but still we see a lot of values.
Handed to Mr. Pansari and Mr. Chaudhary that they had that vision early enough, way back in the late 80s, that computers and IT will become a big industry.
In its nascent stage.
And they joined the bandwagon, so to say, so early in life. And that kind of helped them to become what they are today.
It's a big achievement to have a 25 years in an IT industry, okay, and that to having a consistent growth. That's something we need to recognize. And the base of Rashi's overall growth, I think, has been the consistency and the of doing business. That's something which we all look up to.
I think that is why, having 25 years in this business is a big achievement. I know that it's a very fast-changing field, so which means that to survive for 25 years, it takes a lot of innovation, a lot of courage to survive in this competitive market.
Rashi has been a critical, privileged partner of Samsung India, and the way we are growing, and Rashi actually has been helping us to grow.
We see the strength of Rashi, right? And I think one of their key fundamental, they are very channel-centric, and they have very innovative and some fundamental strategies.
I think they've grown a lot over the last couple of years. Since I know them since about 3 years. They have done amazing stuff. They are amazing distributors, and a long way to go. I think they'll be one of the largest in the country in the time to come.
I think it's a bunch of extremely professional people, very committed, a lot of people, very professional.
The way they have come up is something commendable. The ethical business practices has got them a long way, and we see it going much further.
आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत इस खूबसूरत म्यूज़िक के साथ। हम शुक्रगुजार हैं राशि का कि ये खूबसूरत मौका हमें दिया।
ओ मेरा पिया घर गया, ओ लालनी मेरा पिया घर गया, ओ लालनी मेरा पिया घर गया, ओ लालनी मेरा पिया घर गया, ओ लालनी।
पहले तो खुश तो बहुत होंगे आज आप 25 साल हो गए हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है। आपने when you conceive an idea और फिर जब वो 25 years बाद इतना successful idea running हो जाता है, and when you were in your small little town in Uttar Pradesh, did you think this would happen?
25 years, very long way, but it's just yesterday's thing. For us it's not that long period what it looks like. Yes, definitely it's a good achievement.
We are born businessmen and we love doing business. Business is in our life and breath. So 24 hours we are doing business and growing business. So the dream which we thought much earlier, right from 1970, is coming true now.
I'm really proud that what they have built. The biggest challenge for me is just to keep up with these, what they have done. So
great.
Yes,
They definitely
challenging
stalwarts.
times and a great human beings.
I think what I really loved and admired about Sureshji when I met him was, I think his pure humbleness, his simplicity in whatever he does. And I see that reflection in the next generation too.
In my mind, I think I'm possibly the youngest in association with them and possibly the richest in relationship with them.
That's nice.
It hasn't been too long back when I actually had the opportunity to meet Sureshji, and it was complete calmness, it was so much of subtleness, it was so much of love, pretty much synergistic with all the restlessness that I have and the passion for growth which we both have, and that's what I've really enjoyed about Rashi.
Now, once again, it's a joyous occasion for you. My first question, I think everybody would like to know, whoever doesn't know, why the name Rashi? Mr. Pansari.
The daughter's name of Mr. Chaudhary. With her name, we found this company.
Mr. Chaudhary, I'd like to know, how is it working with Mr. Pansari, and what is it coming together for such a long association with Mr. Pansari?
I will say it's automatic. Even before we started this company, we were together. We have I will say rather studied together for some years. And let me tell you, we are friends since last 38 years.
How do you maintain a good balance between work and life and leisure?
See, business is passion. So either you do business with hectic life or stress, or you enjoy doing business. We enjoy doing business.
Of course, you find a great business partner in Mr. Pansari, but how is it conducting business with a friend?
I think this is a very tricky question. What you just said, that friend is everything. In fact, we don't do business, we do friendship.
What do you think is the role, how pivotal is the role of branch heads at Rashi Peripherals?
Our branch heads are real core strength of Rashi.
How important has the role of family been in the success?
I don't know why you are asking these type of questions to me only.
I will ask that question to Mr. Pansari as well.
Same?
Same question.
Promise?
Yes, promise.
Anytime. If I tell you honestly, I think family inspires us to do business. Why should we do business? What for we should? After all, at the end of the day, we are teetotaler. We don't have any habit of spending money. We are, my friends are laughing at me. So I just need a bread, very small requirement, so far my personal requirement is concerned. But it's my family who inspires me that let's do business. It's not only for making money, it's making the standing and be in the society and of course return to the society whatever you can.
So far as my family is concerned, they never bothered me while doing business. Whether I am away for business for 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, they always supported me. And while coming at home, they just expected some few things. If I
Good
go
gifts,
foreign
like your son
countries
said.
and I buy few things and give them, and they are happy.
Give me 3 names you associate most with Rashi Peripherals.
My son Kapil Pansari, second Rajesh Goenka, Sanjay Agarwal.
Talk of names, of course, it's my family I will consider as one name. My business is another name and my friends is the third name.
मिस्टर पंसारी, आप 3 बातें ऐसी बताइए मिस्टर चौधरी के बारे में जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, और फिर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी मिस्टर पंसारी के बारे में.
Sound fundamentals about Mr. Chaudhary.
So sound fundamentals, 1.
Yes. High ethics. Never angry on me.
Aggressive, always first, and never die attitude.
What is your succession plan?
Oh, we always think Rashi should be young in India as a culture. So I thought, okay, maybe couple or my second son.
So what is the vision for the next 5 years for Rashi?
I think if you look into, we have of course reached 25 years and grown at a CAGR of 30%. I think a lot of things is yet to be done. It's remain undone. In fact, we believe in quality. We are not very much in quantity, and our vendors are very well aware of all these things. We are not running after top line. But our vision is in fact that, of course, everybody will say that to bring Rashi into, top level of the industry, maybe within top 3 or we are already top 5, can't imagine. because otherwise I will be killed by Jaishankar who is sitting here. I don't want to dare to say that I will become number one.
Business is a great motivator for you, family is a great motivation for you, but where does your real motivation come from?
Motivation comes from passion only, because what we want to do, just continuously work hard for the life. If you are working hard, working with the passion, business automatically will grow.
How do you think the IT sector is going to shape up in the next 5 years in the near future?
You know, unless you bring some competition to IT, I think I don't see anything is emerging which will substitute or which will replace IT.
Most honorably like to invite on stage Mr. K. Jaishankar, the Managing Director of Ingram Micro, as our esteemed guest today.
Okay, this is all extempore, so I don't know what to say, but let me start by conveying on behalf of all our associates at Ingram Micro India, sincere congratulations and best wishes to the complete Rashi family on the significant achievement. 25 years in the IT distribution industry is not a mean feat. So well done, congratulations, and I wish you all another 25 years of successful business. So Mr. Chaudhary mentioned that, you know, revenue is not everything. There are distributors bigger than us, and I think he mentioned my name as well. Ingram Micro definitely is a larger distribution business, but I think in terms of our competitors, our core distributors as we are called here, we have a great deal of respect for Rashi. They conduct the business in a manner which is enviable, and sometimes we wish we could emulate. Okay, the strengths they bring as an organization to vendors and channel partners by their reach, their professionalism, the ethics they exhibit in almost all their business transactions when they interact with their partners is something that is exemplary. We know about it because we know they are a competitor, and we try to find out what they are doing, and we wish many times that we could kind of replicate some of their strengths in our organization as well. So they are built with their personal effort, and of course the support of their key managers and their associates all over the country. An excellent business, a very valuable business, and I would like to again congratulate them on this. It's good to see entrepreneurs in this country, and particularly in an industry and in a business which is not very easy to do. Distribution is a pretty challenging business. To build and create something so valuable and so, I would say, something that other people and other companies look forward to emulating. Congratulations once again to the whole Rashi family, and wish you all the best.
Next up, I would love to invite on stage Mr. Paras Shah, the CEO and founder of Nutric Informatic Limited, an entrepreneur deeply committed to the IT sector and a natural leader. Let's invite him on stage with a cheer to share his experience with us on this occasion. Mr. Shah.
This was unplanned, but I must congratulate both Pansari ji and Chaudhary ji. From age and from every level, they are our role model, in a way mentor also for the whole industry. I keep saying to some of the team members, some of the colleagues, and some of the vendors also, that this business model which Rashi has created is possibly be the only business model in the entire world. And why I'm saying this, where in this world do you get so many quote unquote the Marwadi business community managing each of the branches? It's just everywhere you have businessmen. It's not just one head office. In every location you have businessmen. They all think in the same direction, same way, and which, as Mr. Jaishankar mentioned, it's so difficult to copy this business model. And this model is very unique in the world, and I would say this is one of the key reasons of Rashi's success, because they all think same. They think alike. If there is a reach, this Chaudhary mentioned that we need reach, is they themselves are at the branch level, are passionate, motivated, and it's not one businessman, it is 50 or hundreds of businessmen together. That's a powerhouse they've created. And and we are really proud of this creation. They have really contributed in this industry. They've helped a lot of vendors to reach where some of us have not been able to reach. And more than anything, they've made so many team members prosperous. Some of this Rashi family across, which we have seen, some of them have just built a great empire in each of the cities, and possibly the partners associated with them. The vendors have been extremely successful with Rashi, and we are really proud about their success. And I'm sure with every man, there is a woman behind it. All credit goes to both Mrs. Pansari ji and Mrs. Pansari and Mrs. Chaudhary. Cheers.
It says, Dear Chaudhary ji, it's our honor and a matter of pride to congratulate you for completing 25 magnificent years of Rashi Peripherals. Thank you for making us a part of the Rashi family, Team Rashi, dated 15th March 2014. Thanks a lot to Team Rashi for this wonderful memento. Thank you.
Fantastic. 25 years and many, many more to go. Many, many good wishes on the path forward.